In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut in Penpot. To get started, create your base shape on the canvas. This is the main object you want to cut into, and a simple rectangle is a great example to use if you're following along for the first time. The base shape acts like the solid piece of material, so think of it as the object that will have a section removed from it. Next, add a second shape and place it directly on top of the base shape. This second shape is the one you'll use to create the cut. For example, you might use a circle if you want a rounded hole or curved cutout. Position it carefully in the exact area where you want the cut to appear, because the overlap between the two shapes determines the final result. If needed, take a moment to adjust the alignment so the placement looks precise. Once both shapes are in position, select them together. This is important because Penpot needs both the base shape and the cutting shape selected at the same time in order to apply the Boolean operation correctly. If you only select one shape, the cut won't happen. With both shapes selected, click Difference, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-D. This subtracts the top shape from the bottom shape, which is the most common method if you want to create a clean cutout from the base object. If instead you want to remove the overlapping area from both shapes, choose Exclude or use Ctrl-Alt-E. This gives you a different result, so it's useful when you want the intersecting section removed rather than simply cutting one shape out of the other. That's the basic process for cutting shapes in Penpot. The key is using overlapping shapes and choosing the Boolean option that matches the effect you want.